Hello, hi children. Today we're going to sing a new rhyme. Numbers. Let's start the rhyme. Children, sing with me and join with me, children. Counting from 1 to 10. Counting from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Do you know how to count? Yes, I know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you, children. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Support our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.